Okay ji, let us start the record data type. Now the record, what is in the record? In the record we have, it is actually a user defined data type. It is a user defined data type. What it mean? It means the user can define the data type by his own. Okay, the user can create his own data type, like the way you have seen the integer, the real. These are all the data types which are called the built-in data type. These are the built-in data type. So these types are already available and you're using them. And the other thing is that for one variable only one type can be assigned, and this is the limitation of the built-in data type. Like a is of type integer, and a cannot be at the same time of type real or any other type. So the records are the type of it is a method in which we can combine the data types together and creates a new data type. Okay, so what is a record? Record is, we can see that it is a composite data type. We can call it composite data type. Record is a composite data type. Okay, and this we create, it is formed by the inclusion of several items of different data types. So we make a data type, we make a record by combining different items together and then creating a new data type. Okay, so I told you that record is a user defined data type, a type that is defined by the user, a type that is created by the user. Okay, and this data type, it has a reference, it has a reference to the other existing data types. Like the normal data types you have just seen, these are integers. We have just seen it, integer, real, char, string. So the record says that we can create another data type by combining them, and we create a new data type, let's say, which is a new type. Okay, so this new data type is the combination of different other types. And how we do that? Now see, we can do this like I'll go on the, for example, we write, now we are talking about record, okay, which is a user defined data type. So what will happen in it? We have like type, we write type student record, and end type, we will write it in the end. And inside this we declare different data types. Let's say student name, this is of type string. We declare student age, this is of type, and we declare student weight, this is of type real. We declare student gender of type char, declare is Pakistani of type boolean. So this is how we combine different information of type of different data type. We combine them and then we created our own data type, and its name is now student record. Now we can use this data type as we use the standard data type to declare any variable. Like we declare for example student1 of type. Now the type we will write this type. This is the name of the type. So student record. This is how we can declare it. We can declare any other let's say student2 of type student record. So now this also becomes a new data type, and this is a user defined data type. Okay, now this is a user defined data type, a type that we have declared ourselves by combining different variables of different types. So now it means the student record is a type that has the ability to store the string, integer, real, char and boolean at the same time. These different data types collectively in the student record. And now this is a type that we can use to declare any of the variable. Now what is the ability that comes to this variable, like student1? Now how can we use it? We can write like student1 dot. Now with the dot we can go into this data type and we can get access to all these variables with their different data type, like student1 dot student name is equal to, we can assign name. Okay, let's say we can write Ali. Student1 dot student age is equal to, let's say 25. Student1 dot student weight is equal to 54. Student1 dot student gender is equal to male. Student1 dot is Pakistani is equal to true. So this is how we can use it. So the declaration, this is how we define this type. This is how we declare variables with this defined type. And this is how we assign values. Now they are all given to the single variable. Student1, you can see the same single variable having access to the different variable of its record type, and then assigning the values. So this is all a record. This is a record. And for the same, if you want to do with the student2, you can again repeat it. Student2 dot student name is equal to, for example, Ahmed. Student2 dot student age is equal to 23. Student2 dot student weight is equal to 50. Student 2 dot gender, student gender is equal to male. Student 2 dot is Pakistani is equal to false. So this is by using the same data type record. Now we can assign the data to another variable, and it will also have the access to these different data types. Actually, data is stored with the name student, but with different type of fields or different type of identifiers, different type of features. So this is the record data type, okay? And I hope it is clear. And